Meet the girls of Project Scientist. Girls with an aptitude, talent, and passion for science, technology, engineering, and math. STEM. Project Scientist is a unique organization that supports girls in turning their childhood dreams about science into reality. Currently, the STEM workforce consists of only 25% women, while 74% of girls say they have an interest in STEM careers. That's why Project Scientist has crafted an environment of creativity and challenging opportunities that will help drive innovation, encourage confidence, and build a lasting sense of fulfillment for girls in their pursuit of scientific discovery. The Project Scientist model is based on extensive research with the goal of sustaining interest in STEM among young girls ages 4 to 16. Starting with our summer STEM intensives on university campuses, Project Scientist Academy, and Project Scientist Scholars, your girls are given hands-on experience in the scientific process. Their passion is reinforced throughout the year with energizing activities from Club Project Scientist. With these key programs, we have created a community of like-minded girls who support each other as they geek out on science. In just 2 years, Project Scientist has grown from serving 40 girls to serving over 400, with multiple campus sites in multiple cities. Like true scientists, the Project Scientist team takes the research and data around our program model seriously. During the summer of 2014, we were honored to have the interest of Harvard University and UNC Charlotte, who examined our model and tracked our outcomes. As you can see, we are making significant impact in girls knowing female scientists and actually seeing themselves as scientists. Furthermore, girls were significantly more likely to have higher amounts of science career interest and science career knowledge at the end of the program compared to the beginning. Using the nationally certified Draw a Picture of a Scientist test, initial findings from UNC Charlotte state that on day 1 of week 1, 29.5% of our girls drew images of male scientists. In as little as 5 days, only 12.5% were still drawing images of male scientists. By the end of our program, girls are typically drawing images of themselves and stating what they want to be when they get older. Through our research, Project Scientist has discovered 3 key areas that drive girls' continued interest in STEM. Project Scientist holds parent orientation meetings to help them understand their role in their daughter's STEM success. Parents can be hugely influential in minimizing gender stereotyping of STEM roles for their daughters. Young girls need to see women who look like them thriving in science fields. If they can see someone like them in STEM, they can imagine it for themselves. Through our relationships with STEM companies, universities, and female scientists across the country, Project Scientist engages over 100 female STEM professionals annually during our Academy and Scholars programming. It's no secret that failure is the fuel of scientific innovation. Project Scientist is committed to providing a nurturing environment for girls to learn through scientific exploration. That fear of failure cannot stand between them and their goals. Do you know of a girl with a passion, aptitude, or talent for science, technology, engineering, or math? Project Scientist is looking for girls who dream of changing the world and helping others through their discoveries in STEM. At Project Scientist, we will teach them that nothing is certain, but everything is possible. Visit projectscientist.org to learn how you can inspire the next generation of STEM superstars. Project Scientist would like to thank our corporate and foundation partners.